So in the 1990s, doctors were under a lot of pressure from advocacy groups, the federal government, to treat pain as this really serious medical issue. And there was pretty good reason for that. There were about 100 million Americans suffering from chronic pain.
The undertreatment of pain is a major public health problem. Whatever the cause, some end up shuttling from doctor to doctor, desperate for relief.
Under this pressure, doctors turn to opiate painkillers, highly potent drugs that bind to receptors in the nervous system and reduce pain messaging to the brain.
To keep dopamine neurons in check, inhibitory neurons keep the brakes on until something good comes along. Just like the pain neuron, these neurons are covered in opioid receptors. When Susan takes the painkiller prescribed by her doctor, the opioid receptors turn off the inhibitory neurons and release the brake on the dopamine neurons. The rush of dopamine temporarily eliminates Susan's depression and anxiety, and she feels relief, calmness, and even euphoria.
It's important to recognize that today we are seeing more people killed because of opioid overdose than traffic accidents. Now you think about that. A lot of people tragically die of car accidents, and we spend a lot of time and a lot of resources to reduce those fatalities. And the good news is that we've actually been very successful.
So what can be done? There are many variables, but any solution would require controlling the distribution of prescription opioids, expanding access to medication-assisted treatment, and making naloxone, an overdose antidote, more accessible. In addition, more controversial ideas like drug checking services or supervised injection sites may be necessary to slow the rise in overdose deaths.